Welcome to another Teacher Tip with Mr. Long, and I've really enjoyed trying to find awesome YouTube channels with great content that can help you in the classroom. And here we've got another one that's quite a famous one called Crash Course. As you can see, they're a very popular YouTube channel and they have tons of videos and they provide lots of highly educational videos. This I would particularly use with high school students. So if you scroll down, you can see there's a whole bunch of videos. They have them in categories. Now, a lot of this is obviously American based and they have American content, but they've also got lots of other useful content that can be used for international audiences. So for example, if I come here, I've been a big fan of their history videos. And as you can see, they can find a particular topic, world history or US history or big history, maybe the world of mythology, and go and learn about those different aspects. As you can see, there are tons of videos in those different categories: social science, physical or life science, math or logic, which includes computer science as well, media studies, and even business. So a really great, useful resource. I normally look at their latest videos, and as you can see, they are posting quite regularly. So that was 3 days ago. So they are uploading new videos all the time. And if you go look at the playlist, this is where you're really going to find what you're looking for and find the best category of playlists for your classroom. So go check out Crash Course. Their handle is @CrashCourse. Very quick and easy to find. Tons of great videos. Go check them out. Go give them a subscribe. And maybe you can incorporate some of these videos in your lessons. For more YouTube channels that you can use in the classroom, as well as other web resources and other features that you use in technology applications, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and tell other teachers about us. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.